Ciao a tutti e benvenuti in questo bellissimo appartamento nell'Upper East Side di Manhattan. For this project, we totally transformed the kitchen. The distinctive trait of this kitchen is the use of two different quartz stone. The focal point of this kitchen is this stunning quartz with black veins on the peninsula countertop and waterfall. As you can see, the same quartz has been used for the windowsill. A white quartz countertop is extended to a full-height backsplash, and it has been used in the back of the stove and around the niche. Inside the niche, as well as inside the glass cabinets, we tied the back with white subway tiles. Other interesting elements of this design are the farmer sink and the beautiful hardware in polished nickel. Look at these elegant cabinet pulls in front of the fridge panel, the knobs, and the pulls. We replaced the old floor with these porcelain tiles with geometric patterns, in black and white. Grazie per essere stati con noi e ci vediamo alla prossima ristrutturazione. Start a new chapter with us.